Hello everyone, this is the JEE Mains past year questions on Sequence and Series Chapter Part 1. So the first question for this video is, if 1 comma log 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 base 9 log 4 into 3 power x minus 1 base 3 are in AP, then x is equal to. So the options are log 4 base 3, 1 minus log 4 base 3, 1 minus log 3 base 4 and log 3 base 4. So how will we do this sum? These three are in AP in the sense 2 into log 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 base 9 is equal to 1 plus log 4 into 3 power x minus 1. So if three numbers are in AP, what would we use? 2b is equal to a plus c formula. Now you know logarithm formulas. Log a power n is equal to n into log a. Log x a power n is equal to 1 by n. Log x base a. Log ab is equal to log a plus log b, and log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. So if you apply all, we use these formulas over the period here, and log a base a is equal to 1. So what we should do is, first here the base is 9, here the base is 3. So what you should do is, you should convert every base into 3 so that the solving will be easy. So 2 into, if you convert into base 3, it will become 3 square. 3 square is in the sense log a power n, so 1 by n log a. So 1 by 2 into log 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 base 3 is equal to 1 can be written as log 3 base 3, right? So log 3 base 3 plus log 4 into 3 power x minus 1 base 3. So we can write this as 2 gets cancelled. So log 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 base 3 is equal to log a plus log b formula is log a into b, 4 into 3 power x minus 1 base 3, which is log 12 into 3 power x minus 3 power x. So as bases are equal, we can equate the arguments. 3 power 1 minus x plus 2 is equal to 12 into 3 power x minus 3 power x. So 3 by 3 power x plus 2 is equal to 12 into 3 power x minus 3 power x whole square. So this is a quadratic equation in which 12 into 3 power x whole square, 12 into 3 power x whole square minus 3 power x into 3, correct? Here we did a small mistake. Here 3 and 3 power x, wait a second, remove this step. So 3 by 3 power x plus 2 is equal to 12 into 3 power x minus 3, which can be written as 3 plus 2 into 3 power x is equal to 12 into 3 power x whole square minus 3 into 3 power x. So which can be written as 12 into 3 power x whole square minus 5 into 3 power x plus, minus 3 is equal to 0. So 3 power x is equal to 5 plus or minus root of 144 b square minus 4ac, 25 plus 4ac is 12 4s are 48, 48 3s are 144. So 144 plus 25 is 169 divided by 24. So which will give us 5 plus 13 by 24, which is 18 by 24, 3 by 4. 5 minus 13 by 24, which will so minus 8 by 4 is minus 1 by 3. So 3 power x cannot be minus 1 by 3, correct? Because it is an exponential function, and 3 power x is equal to 3 by 4. In the sense, if you apply log on both sides, x log base 3 x log 3 base 3 is equal to log 3 base 3 minus log 4 base 3. So this value is 1, so x is equal to 1 minus log 4 base 3. So the answer for this question is 1 minus log 4 base 3. So moving on to the next question. 1 cube minus 2 cube plus 3 cube minus 4 cube plus and so on 9 cube is equal to. Options are 425 minus 425, 475 minus 475. So if there is a plus sign over here, we know the formula, which is n into n plus 1 by 2 whole square. So what we'll do is, we'll add and subtract plus over there. So 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus and so on 9 cube minus, there is a minus here, so we also subtracted, so it will become 2 into 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus 8 cube. So this is n into n plus 1 by 2. So 9 into 9 plus 1 by 2 whole square minus, if you take 2 cube common, which is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. What you'll get? 9 into 10 by 2 whole square minus 2 into 8 into 4 into 4 plus 1 by 2 whole square. What you'll get? 9 5s are 45. 45 square minus 16 into 10 square. So 2025 minus 1600. What you'll get? 425. So the final answer for this question is 425. Next, moving on to the next question. Sum of the infinite numbers of GP is 20 and sum of their square is 100. The common ratio of the GP is. Options are 5, 3 by 5, 8 by 5 and 1 by 5. So sum of the infinite terms of a GP. So A, AR and so on infinity. Sum of infinite terms of GP is A by 1 minus R. Here A is A, R is 1 by R. Sorry, A is R, R is R. So A by 1 minus R is equal to 20. So A is equal to 20 into 1 minus R. Next, A square is there, right? A is A square R square, A square R power 4 and so on. So A square by 1 minus R square is equal to 100 given. We know that A by which can be written as A by 1 minus R into A by 1 plus R is equal to 100. A by 1 minus R is nothing but 20 from the given. So A by 1 plus R is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 into 1 plus R. So we need R, so we can solve this. So 20 into 1 minus R is equal to 5 into 1 plus R. So 4 into 1 minus R is equal to 1 plus R. What you will get? 4 minus 4R is equal to 1 plus R. 5R is equal to 3. R is equal to 3 by 5. So the final answer for this question is 3 by 5. So moving on to the next question. The value of 2 power 1 by 4 into 4 power 1 by 8 into 8 power 1 by 16 is and so on infinity is. Options are 1, 2, 3 by 2 and 4. So in this question we can read it as 2 power 1 by 4 into 2 power 2 by 8 into 2 power 3 by 16 and so on infinity. So we can write it as 2 power 1 by 4 plus 2 by 8 plus 3 by 16 plus and so on infinity. So if you consider the power, what it is? 1 by 4 plus 2 by 8 plus 3 by 16 plus and so on infinity. So what we do is, in this case, in these types of sums, we should divide this first and we should write it as like this: 3 by 32. I will tell you why we are writing like that in the next step. So if you subtract this, what you will get? Lambda by 2. If you take 0, what you will get? 1 by 4, which is minus 1 plus 1 by 8. It will become 3 by 32, sorry, 3 by 16, sorry, 1 by 8, sorry, 2 by 8. I did a small mistake over here, which is the 2 by 16. Then we'll have 3 by 32 and so on. So if you subtract these both, sorry, 3 by 32 itself, if you subtract these both, what you'll get? 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 16 plus and so on infinity. So this is a perfect GP. So A is equal to 1 by 4, R is equal to 1 by 2. So S is equal to A by 1 minus 1 by 2. What you'll get? 1 by 4 by 1 by 2, which is 1 by 2. So lambda by 2 value is 1 by 2, implies lambda is equal to 1. So lambda is nothing but the power of the question. So 2 power 1, which is a 2. So the final answer for this question is 2. So fifth term of a GP is 2 and product of 9 terms is. Options are 256, 512, 1024 and none. So fifth term in the sense AR power 4, if you consider A, R square and so on. So AR power 4 is equal to 2. A into AR square into AR, A into AR into AR square into AR power 4 and so on, AR cube, AR power 4 and so on, AR power 9 is equal to how much? So if you take this, it will become A power 9 into R power 36, which can be written as AR power 4 whole power 9, sorry, whole power 9, right? So AR power 4 is 2, 2 power 9 is 512. So the final answer for this question is 512. Next, if the system of linear equations x plus 2a plus 2az is equal to 0 and x plus 3b plus bz is equal to 0, x plus 4c plus cz is equal to 0 has non-zero solutions, then a, b, c are. Options are R in GP, R in HP satisfy a plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0 and a R in AP. So if 3 lines are in AP, then coefficients determinant is equal to 0. So we know how to take a determinant: 3bc minus 4bc minus 2a into c minus b plus a into, so c minus 4c minus 3b is equal to 0. What you'll get? 3bc minus 3bc minus 4bc minus 2ac plus 2ab plus 4ac minus 3ab is equal to 0. So if you simplify this, bc is how many bc? Minus plus 3bc minus 4bc, which is minus bc, minus 2ac plus 4ac plus 2ac minus minus ab is equal to 0. So 2ac is equal to ab plus bc. So what will happen if you divide the whole thing by abc? What it will become? 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c, right? 2ac by 2 by b is equal to 1 by a plus 1 by c. So this is in the form of, it implies a comma b comma c are in HP. So the final answer for this question is they three are in HP. So f of x be a polynomial of second degree if f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1 and a b c are in AP, then f dash of a, f dash of b and f dash of c are in GP, HP, AGP and AP. So first f of 1 is equal to, f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, which is a general form of a second degree polynomial, given f of 1 is equal to f of minus 1. So a plus b plus c is equal to a minus b plus c, which implies b is equal to 0. So the final quadratic equation will become ax square plus c. So they gave f dash of x. We need to find f dash of x. We know we should to do this sum, we should know the basic differentiation formulas, which is d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1. D by dx of constant is equal to 0. So if you apply here 2ax, f dash of a value will be 2a square, f dash of b value will be 2ab, f dash of c value will be 2ac, given a comma b comma c are in AP. So if these three are in AB, if you multiply a constant over here, it will also be in AP. So multiply by a. So a square ab ac will also be in AP. So if you multiply by 2ab 2ac will also be in AP, which is nothing but 2a square is nothing but f dash of a, 2ab is nothing but f dash of b, 2ac is nothing but f dash of c. This is also in AP. So if a, b, c are in AP for the given question, the final answer for is those f dash a, f dash b, f dash c are also in AP. So moving on to the next question. The sum of the series 1 by 1 into 2 minus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 minus and so on infinity is equal to. Options are log 2 by c minus 1, log 2 by c, log 4 by e by c, 2 log 2 by c. So this series can be split into two series, which is 1 by 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus and so on infinity, minus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 4 into 5 plus and so on infinity. So this first series 10th term is 1 by 2n into 2n plus 1, which can be written as 1 by 2n plus 1 minus 1 by 2n. So we know that Sn is equal to sigma Tn, which is sigma of 1 by 2n plus 1 minus sigma of 1 by 2n. So what you'll get? 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus and so on. This is a logarithmic series which is log 2 by c. This is a very normal logarithmic thing we should remember. And then if you write the Tn for this, 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 4 into 5 plus and so on, which is 1 by 2n plus 1 into 2n, which is 1 by 2n minus 1 by 2n plus 1. What you'll get? Sigma Tn, Sn is equal to sigma Tn, sigma 1 by 2n minus sigma 1 by 2n plus 1. So we can write it as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus and so on infinity. So what we can rewrite it as minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus and so on infinity. If you observe this, there is no 1 over here, but the whole sequence is same as logarithm series, so we can write it as minus of log 2 base e minus 1. So what we should do, s is equal to, we should subtract these both, log 2 base e minus minus of minus plus log 2 base e minus 1. So final answer for this question is 2 log 2 base e minus 1. So log 1 can be written as log e base e. So log 4 base e minus log e base e, which is what we can rewrite it as log 4 base e minus log 4 by e base e. So the final answer for this question is log 4 by e base e. So moving on to the next question. If x1, x2, x3 are in and y1, y2, y3 are both in GP with the same common ratio, then the points x1, y2, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 are in lie on ellipse, lie on a circle, or vertices of a triangle, lie on a straight line. So what you will do is x1, x2, x3, y1, y2, y3. So these three are in GP, AR, AR, AR square. Say both common ratio. So BR, BR square. So the points are A comma B, AR comma BR, AR square comma BR square. So if you take the slopes between them, what you will get, B into R minus 1 by A into R minus 1. If you take this, B into R square minus 1 by, B into R square minus R by A into R square minus R. Between these 2 points, this slope, between these 2 points, this slope, what you will get, B by A. Here what you will get, B into R, if you take common, R minus 1 by A into R minus 1. So R minus 1, R minus 1, R cancel. So B by A. So if two slopes are equal, if two slopes are equal in these 3 points, then these 3 points must lie on the straight line. So the final answer for this question is lies on a straight line. So with this we conclude our first part of this progressions chapter. We'll continue in the next video. Thank you.